All right, we're recording. I see a dog up there. We got gas. Blow the cobwebs out. Here we go. Woo! See where we're going. I guess I should be talking. I say son. Woo! We're going downhill now. Yeehaw! Hope the brakes work. It's always good to test them every now and then. Nobody on the road, Let's go into the ibid forest. Oh, we got water oozing out of here. I've never seen water oozing out of here. How about that? Must be some ancient stream from prehistoric times. Going back in time. Yeah, see a limb down. Uh-oh. Crash into it. We just did. Oh no. Snapped her off right there. Oh, look at there. Some settler left his house right there. Probably about 1850. Gonna build a fire and the Indians got him. Oh, look at there. Two chairs just sitting out here in the woods. Look at there. Nobody's home. Ain't nobody home. Where are they all gone? Woo! Just riding around in the woods. Just riding in the woods. Where they go in the ibid forest. Uh-oh, getting a little soggy down here. All that rain. Whoa! Steering didn't want to turn there. I say son, didn't want to turn. Whoa! Get in here behind this windshield. Traveling, I don't know how fast we're going. 50, 60 miles an hour, I don't know. Maybe less. But anyway, we're riding. Got a quart of gas. Oh, looks like some water has been flowing through right here. Old ancient riverbed. Over the river and through the woods to grandmother's house we go. The horse knows the way to carry the sleigh through the wild and drifting snow. Whoa! Whoa, here we go. Better get some speed up. Oh no! Flash! Oh no. Something happened. Slung a rod. Alright, here we go. Had a close call there. Thought the motor blowed up. Well, coming up on 4 minutes. This will have to be broken down in 2 videos. So, about time to quit. As I go around this last little turn, we'll just shut her down. Bye.